Hi, I'm David, and this is Gregor. We're from Technical Marketing at Aerohive Networks, and we're here to talk about another cooperative control protocol, IXNP, Identity Extensions Networking Protocol. And the purpose of that protocol is?
Well, we have the ability to tunnel data from access point to a specific place. And the use case mostly for this would be a guest anchor. So the ability to tunnel guest network into a DMZ to an endpoint. So what could be an endpoint?
It could be an Aerohive AP, or it could be one of our Hive OS virtual appliances. So this is a static tunnel. This is not a dynamic tunnel, it's a static tunnel. And
Correct.
as you mentioned, one key use case is for isolating guest traffic. So a lot of customers don't necessarily like having a guest VLAN available at the edge of the network. If you'd like to isolate that, we can tunnel that guest traffic through a GRE tunnel.
Correct, and then you can use the guest-specific DNS, DHCP, all of the rest of the services required to cater for the guest directly from the DMZ, and this is just tunneling to the endpoint. And the implementation of it, it's pretty special. So it's not implemented per SSID, but rather per
user profile.
So what does that mean?
Well, that means whenever we do tunneling, we also include all the user profile information, traffic information within the tunnel. So it's not just VLAN and IP information, but it's also all your firewall state information and any of the client state information that can also be shared. Anything that's in a user profile object in Hive Manager NG can also be shared through the tunnel.
So how complicated it is to configure the tunnel protocol?
It's not complicated at all. It's basically in the user profile object. You have to configure a couple of static IP addresses, effectively the endpoints, from all your APs at the edge to a centralized concentrator or a group of concentrators, and then a couple of checkboxes. And then after that, you're pretty much done, other than the upload.
And like with everything else, this is also can be done in a redundant way.
Absolutely. So you can have, you can actually have a pool of GRE concentrators when you're using IXNP.
Correct. So with that, thank you for watching.